play. No. Let's play.
No.
I mean, let's game. Dang it, I said it wrong. Let's game. I've been watching.
Gaming galore.
Let's see. We're doing a quick scoping match. Here's how you.
Well, I'm not quick scoping. I'm sniping.
No, you have to quick scope.
No.
Yeah, this is normal.
Okay, I'll quick scope snipe.
Dude, it's easy. Look, all you do is this real fast and shoot. You do it fast and you can't hold. If you hold it down like this, that means you're hard scoping. You got to do it like that and shoot.
I don't care. I like hard scoping.
You know, hard scoping is for losers. See, that's a quick scope. You just gotta get it on me.
I think I'm about to pull out my pistol.
You're me. I'm gonna run around. I'm a suicide bomber. Suicide bombers, keep your distance.
No. Hang on, I wonder what happened.
Oh, I just killed your shock charge. It will blow. Ow, I'm on fire! I'm on fire! Have you seen that movie? What is that movie called? I'm on fire! I think Talladega Nights. I love that movie. I'm on fire! I'm on fire! Cool it off with the water.
Oh, that. I saw Mission Jerome on Ace, like, their last video. It was hilarious. Dang it! I told you, I still get this.
So you're actually doing good. You almost hit me.
I want to throw a shock charge at you.
And just to let you know, you should have used it. You should have had a bolt action rifle.
Well, I don't know.
No, because bolt action rifles, they have way better chance of quick scoping.
Yeah.
You have a way better chance because they hurt more. Ow! I'm on fire again! Oh! I'll make sure this is a quick scope. Yeah, that's a quick scope, kind of.
I guess.
Yeah, it's better than the regular sniping that you do. Headshot.
I have a good plan. Throw the shock charge at you and like.
And make me on fire.
Well, that. Whoa! There you are. No.
Oh, look at your blood.
You know what? I'm staying right here. I'm waiting.
I'm sucking those juices.
Oh, this is where the famous ASF did their thing.
You know, how Jerome and them say, whenever they kill somebody in Minecraft, how they're sucking their juices. Oh, look at this! It's already epic. Gotcha. Headshot, and you shocked me. No.
I love this map. Me and my brother would play this.
I think this is gonna be a while because it's up to 75 kills, I think, and I don't know if I put any time, so we'll have to make a part 2 and stuff. Ow! I'm on fire! I'm on fire! Oh, I'm not on fire. Dang it! Look at your blood splats again.
Like I saw your radar. I saw the radar at the last second.
Oh, look, I got a UAV over the radar. This will work. Ring around the boat dock. If I can never find you.
I'm in a safe place.
No, you're upstairs.
Next up.
What?
Next up.
Well, thank you.
It's not working.
Alright, you're cheating. You got that gun.
I don't care. I just wanted to try it once, and it was just as powerful as sniper, so it worked.
But it's cheating. Wolf is a big fat cheater. Acting like, wow! I'm on fire! I'm on fire! I'm a good quick scoper.
No, you're not.
Oh, yeah?
You're a quick scoper. Quicker.
I'm a quicker quick scoper. Ow! I'm on fire! I'm on fire!
It worked. It worked. It worked. No, it didn't.
I got through the butt. No. You're like bunny hopping.
I know.
Bunny hop.
That was so hilarious. It's like, I got you. No, I didn't.
No. Tease it! I teased you. You didn't even earn that kill. Freak, I just threw a grenade by accident. Oh well, take down some of the family photos, you know. They were ugly anyway. Yes, they blew it for me. Oh, are you hard, Scooper?
I don't care.
Ew, that was in the nuts too. You really wanted those juices.
I'm like laser corner. Not really, but I don't care. I don't even care. I'm not using a sniper.
Fine. You're just denying all the people that want to that want to watch this.
I don't care. I cheat when it comes to sniping. I don't know how, but this is the first time that someone actually probably found out how to cheat sniping.
This isn't even cheat sniping. You're just using different weapons.
We'll find a way how to cheat in sniping.
It almost worked. Don't worry, Betsy. You shot me! Run!
Come at me.
I'm fine where you live.
Yes, you gave me enough time to reload. Thank you.
I ain't going. Oh my gosh, we've been playing so long it's nighttime.
Not really.
The sun's setting.
Well, yeah.
Look at that beautiful
Oh,
sunset.
in the game, yeah. Oh, dang.
You forgot I had the UAV, didn't you?
Yes.
Whenever I say part 2, you're gonna have to stop what you're doing and don't kill me. Then we'll have to Dang you! Well, you're lucky you got that sofa with the wine.
Dang, I had a claymore. Oh, crap.
I'm scared. Oh, what? You had one bullet! You had one bullet and now you have like all of a sudden 1,000.
Yes, because you let me reload.
You have hacks. Run! This is gonna really take a while.
Well, I'm almost out.
I should make a cutscene 10 hours later. If it happens.
Yes, yes.
Never mind. It didn't happen.
You're so lucky. I don't have much left. I got it done.
We're only at 9 to 5 and we've been playing a while.
That's because we suck at this.
No, you
cheating.
suck at this.
That's because I'm cheating. Oh crap, no.
No!
Oh.
Will Wolf decide to use a sniper? Find out next video.